Hi, my name is Barrie Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Nissan Juke, then I'll take you for a ride in it. But first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a 1.5 dCi 8-valve Tekna. It's 2014 on a 64 plate, has done 68,695 miles, 2 registered owners, fuel economy, urban 61.4 miles per gallon, extra urban 76.3 miles per gallon, and combined is 70.6 miles per gallon. Has a top speed of 109 miles per hour out of a 108 brake horsepower, 4-cylinder, 8-valve engine. So here we go. 2 remote keys, foot on the brake, put them somewhere they won't rattle, and then click the start button. I'm going to put them in there actually. And just tell you the service history. So 23rd 10th 2015 at 12,396 miles. Nissan. 17th of the 10th 2016 at 18,227 miles. Nissan. 17th of the 10th 2017 at 25,303 miles. Nissan. 2nd of the 10th 2018 at 29,966 miles. Motorhouse. 28th of the 10th 2019, not recorded the miles there. Motorhouse again. 16th of the 6th 2021 at 46,155 miles. Motorhouse. 15th of the 2nd 2022, not recorded the miles. Motorhouse. 19th of the 10th 2023 at 67,298 miles, and again that's Motorhouse. So have we got, let me just see if it says, looks like we've got some invoices here, all redacted. We need to take that off. So Bristol Street Motors, service book, MOTs, invoices, more invoices, warranty booklet and maintenance record, more invoices in there. So it looks like Bristol Street Motors Nissan. And then invoices. So just a quick drive today. We're mad busy. There we go, first gear. Front centre armrest here. And just there, let's see. So power folding door mirrors, we'll put them back out again. Just move the drivers, then the passengers. So electric door mirrors. Hopefully that's about right. Nice little cars. Good little runabout. And one you're sure not to lose your shirt on. There will always be a market for these. Quite a popular design. Well equipped. We've got sat nav, Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming, 6-speed gearbox, very, very long-legged gearbox. You know, 5th and 6th, really like probably 2 overdrives. But here we go, we've got D mode and climate. It's in D mode at the moment. It says normal. I can put it in sport. That makes it a bit more fun to drive, a bit nippier, a bit more responsive. And then you've got eco there. Not so much, I suppose. Once you get on the motorway, knock it into eco, and you'll be getting your best miles per gallon when you don't need to be driving and accelerating, and certainly you don't need to be changing down like you would do normally. Your climate control there. The climate and the D modes share the same switches. If you see there, D mode, if I go on there, the switches change. It's very, very clever design. The switches change what they say. Give him a bit of room there. Starting to round, just check the wipers, see what they're like. Yep, all good. It's telling me to change gear there. Left hand side rev counter, the centre your information display. On the right hand side is your speedo. You can change the source there for the radio, so flip between your Bluetooth and the just your ordinary radio. There's information. Information is changing in the center, so it's just showing average fuel consumption, instantaneous miles per gallon. Wouldn't it be good if we were getting 999 miles per gallon? Then you've got cruise control here. Cruise control on. Looks like it's also got lane departure, which you probably know I don't particularly like in any way, shape or form. Cruise on, so the one with the little on the right there, and then just set by knocking that button down. Nice to drive. So I quite like the design of it outside. Just looks a bit different. Like a bit of styling's gone into it. And probably not done by a computer. Leather seats. Also got heated seats as well. There's the buttons for the heated seats. Nice smooth gear change. Actually, it's not too bad. I've still got it in eco. It's probably going to make it work a little bit harder through the gears, but it's not bad. Oh, that was the lane departure warning. I didn't indicate when I went over the lines. There's nothing behind me. nice enough car, as I say. As far as depreciation goes and running costs, I don't think you'd be able to get too much better. Be a great handy second car. Overall design, it looks like it's a 3-door, but it's a 5-door. The door handles are cut into the kind of let me see, ABC pillars into the door, and when you're sat up, you can see the front of the car. The headlamps are pronounced, stuck up at an angle, like a diamond shape. Just all the car's nice and clean. And there we go, got cruise on, so I can just click down. Cruise is switched on there, just click down. If I want to cancel it, just press like so. Indicators on the left, wipers on the right. Just trying to think, is there anything else? Charger socket there. On the right hand side, you've got USB and also aux in. Global locking, electric window switches. Nice finish off with the vents and the dash. 2 cup holders. It's a nippy little car. You get carried away with it. Finished in metallic blue. There you go, beeping again because I went over this again. There's nothing behind me. The most useless invention ever. If you need somebody or something to tell you when you're going over the white lines, then you shouldn't really be in a car. Nothing else much to say. Contrast stitching, nice built up seats, nice and comfortable too. Good armrest there, that goes up and back down. CD player, so Bluetooth audio streaming. So I'll finish the test drive there. Just a good all-round car, value for money. I suppose it does what it says on the tin. Economical, comfortable, nice to drive, looks good too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.